Everybody, it's Lonnie. I just want to show you how to upgrade your Kodi up to the next new version that I have. It's 13.5, getting rid of Exodus and a couple of other things that were actually screwing up Kodi. So the first thing I want you to do is actually, obviously, start up your box, okay? And then I want you to go to your settings. And I'm trying to hold the camera as best as possible. And click on settings. And then I want you to go to the About screen. And then I just want you to check what version of Android it is. So this way, we could set up some other things that may affect Android. So take notice of what that is. If you're on a Amazon product like Fire Stick or Fire TV, don't even worry about it. It's fine. It's just Android 6 and above. That kind of screws things up. So now if you already have mine installed, we go into the apps. Again, go to your settings, go into apps, and we're going to click on Kodi. And here, I want you to clear the data. We're going to get rid of everything. It's okay. My stuff is still there. All right, just wait for that to go through. And now, just go up to Open. If you're on a Fire Stick or Amazon TV, Fire TV, you're going to want to go into your system, then it's Applications, then Manage Installed Applications, and go into Kodi that way. Okay, this is Kodi, blank and all. So now go into your programs, hit OK. Go to your program add-ons, and now you see my wizard is still there. So we'll click that. Just wait for these little dinky updates to happen. Now, one thing. If you have a Fire Stick or a 1 gig MXQ box or something that just only has 1 gig, install this one, the small. It takes up too much memory on the other thing. If you have like an X96, GT1, or other boxes that I may have sold that have 2 gigs or more, T95, you can install this one. So again, the small one is for like Fire Sticks or the MXQ box. This one would be good for the Fire TV. No problem with the Fire TV on that. And GT1 box or X96, which has 2 gigs of RAM. So just click it. We'll start install. And then when it's all finished, I will come back and show you the rest. So let it just go, download, and extract. And I'll be right back. Okay, now that you let it download and extract, you get to this portion here where it says yay. Download complete. I'm out of breath. Anyway, now what I want you to do is either just unplug your box or unplug your Fire Stick for sure, or you can just use the power off button, okay, and just power down your machine. Do not click OK. All right, so we're just going to shut this off, power it back up. A little blurry, right? Okay, we're off. See? Turn it back on. I don't want this video to be, too long, but it doesn't take much time. Once you understand how you do this the first time, it'll be simple the next time. So, when you start up, before you start up Kodi, I want you to go back to your settings and just go into apps. And this is, I'm sorry, and now click on Kodi. And not clear data, but clear cache, just in case. All right, now we can back out and we'll start up Kodi. Now, the first skin that's going to come up on both of the builds, either the small or the GT1 Mimic, is what's called Mimic. That's the skin. And I would suggest if you're on the 1 gigabyte machine like a Kodi Fire Stick or MXQ box or something to that nature where it's just 1 gigabyte, to just leave this skin alone. But if you have Android 6 I need you to do one more step. I need you to go over to maintenance. Okay? And I want you to click on maintenance. Right? Now go over to video. Click on video, acceleration. We don't have to worry about that. Wait for the menu to build. That's fine. It'll take like another couple seconds. But I want you to turn AM codec off, because that causes the boxes to crash for 6.0 and above. If you do have any problem on a 1 gig machine where you get a little flickering or pausing on your movies and stuff like that, just turn this off. Okay? All right, let's give it another second. I'm going to pause it until the writing of this menu is done, and then I'll just show you really quickly how to get to the other screen, and we're done. Okay, so the skin rebuilt the menu, and we're still here. Okay, so again, we turned AM codec off. You can go back one. If you want to keep the skin, I advise you to keep the skin. It's fine. It uses less RAM, so, things do play back sometimes better. But like I said, you could change it to the other skin by going to Appearance. All right, so you can go on the main screen, go to Maintenance, and then go to Appearance. And now click on Skin Mimic once. Wait like a few seconds. It does take a lot longer than anything. And just click on your Aeon Knox Silvo. So again, we're on the Mimic skin. We don't need confluence. That's the default. Retouch is another default. It can't disappear. So we're on the Mimic, and we can go to Aeon Knox. And then we just hit yes. And now we can back out. Let everything start up again. It'll restart. It will start writing the menu, and pretty much you're done. That's it. That's the whole thing. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Lonnie from LonnyTV. This is one of my boxes, so you see the menu starting to run. And just wait for that to end and redo it, and you're all set. Talk to you soon.